In this video we are going to see about methods to control the speed of DC motor. First we can see what is DC motor. A DC motor is operated by using direct current when it transforms the received electrical energy into mechanical energy. This triggers a rotational change in the device itself, thus delivering power to operate various applications in multiple domains. The speed control mechanism is applicable in many cases like controlling the movement of robotic vehicles, movement of motors in paper mills, and the movement of motors in elevators, where different types of DC motors are used. Why DC motor speed control is important? Speed control in the machine shows an impact on the speed of rotation of the motor vehicle. This direct influence on the machine functionality and is so important for the performance and the outcome of the performance. At the time of drilling, every kind of material has its own rotational speed and it changes based on drill size too. In scenario of pump installation, there will be a change in the throughput rate, and so a conveyor belt needs to be sync with the functional speed of the device. These factors are either directly or indirectly dependent on the speed of the motor. Because of this, one should consider DC motor speed and observe various types of speed control methods. The principle of speed control method. From the voltage equation of a simple DC motor is V is equal to EB plus LA/RA. V is the supplied voltage, EB is the back EMF, LA is the armature current, and RA is the armature resistance. We already know that EB equal to P neta NZ divided by 60 Armstrong. P number of poles, A constant, Z number of conductors, N the speed of the motor. Substituting the value of EB in the voltage equation, we get V equal to P neta NZ divided by 60 Armstrong plus LA into RA, or V minus LA into RA equal to P neta NZ divided by 60 Armstrong. Therefore, N is equal to PZ divided by 60 Armstrong into V minus LA into RA divided by neta. The above equation can also be written as N equal to K into V minus LA into RA divided by neta. Here K is a constant. Speed control methods of DC motor. Flex control method, armature control method, voltage control method. The voltage control method is divided into two types: multiple voltage control, Van der Leyenard system. Flex control method. It is already explained above that the speed of DC motor is inversely proportional to the flux per pole. Thus, by decreasing the flux, speed can be increased and vice versa. To control the flux, a rheostat is added in series with the field winding as shown in the circuit diagram. Adding more resistance in series with the field winding will increase the speed as it decreases the flux. In shunt motors, as field current is relatively very small, ISH square or loss is small. Therefore, the method is quite efficient. Through speed can be increased above the rated value by reducing flux with this method. It puts a limit to maximum speed as weakening of field flux beyond a limit will adversely affect the commutation. Armature control method. Speed of a DC motor is directly proportional to the back EMF EB and EB equal to V minus LA RA. That means when supply voltage V and the armature resistance RA are kept constant, then the speed is directly proportional to armature current LA. Thus, if we add resistance in series with the armature, LA decrease and hence the speed also decrease. Greater the resistance in series with the armature, greater the decrease in speed. Voltage control method. Multiple voltage control. In this method, the shunt field is connected to a fixed exciting voltage and armature is supplied with different voltages. Voltage across armature is changed with the help of suitable switchgear. The speed is approximately proportional to the voltage across the armature. Ward-Leonard system. This system is used where very sensitive speed control of motor is required, e.g. electric excavators, elevators, etc. The arrangement of this system is as shown in the figure at right. M2 is the motor to which speed control is required. M1 may be any AC motor or DC motor with constant speed. G is a generator directly coupled to M1. In this method, the output from generator G is fed to the armature of the motor M2, whose speed is to be controlled. The output voltage of generator G can be varied from 0 to its maximum value by means of its field regulator, and hence the armature voltage of the motor M2 is varied very smoothly. Hence very smooth speed control of the DC motor can be obtained by this method. Thank you.